Okay, guys, in today's video, I am going to be unplugging the brain of Animal Company. And, I cannot unplug it without friends. Yep, you heard it, friends. I can't unplug it without friends. So, I got this person and that person, he's building a mech, to come unplugging the brain with. So the max limit to unplugging it is 3 people. And I have grenades. I had grenades because I just killed a big head. But I didn't get the lava, sadly. So
now look at my kaiju, buddy. Look at my arm.
So we need
It also helps with stuff like
we need a gun and we need a free hand to pull out it. Oh.
Okay. Where's my kaiju, buddy? Oh, thank you. Go here.
Okay, guys, I'm going to be waiting for you to get ready. Oh yeah, the hook shot.
Also, one more thing for my collection of my kaiju.
Okay, I'm just going to wait for the Samus to complete his whatever. Oh yeah, I almost have 4,000 company coins. Sorry, I lied to you, Jameson. Wait, but where is the pug? Wait, where is the pug? Actually, where is the pug? Guys! Okay, I don't know why I'm doing the toasty intro.
Hey guys, where are you?
I'm right here.
Did you like my pet design? It opens its mouth and it also has lights.
Who has a rocket?
Also, it has a backpack.
I don't know who has a rocket. I have a jetpack. Jetpack is still counts. But Mammoth, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to lake and kill that vet monster.
Yeah.
And kill that.
I can't bring any weapons.
And kill the freaking meatball. I'll kill the vet monster. If it's don't kill it.
And I could light the way.
Don't kill the freaking vet monster. Just stay away from it. If it gets like fully red, then just kill it. Hello. Let's go.
Hey, I kind of like have a thing with pets, like kaiju pets. Light the way.
Okay, guys, I have the glow stick, so don't worry of having no light. Whee! I'm going down the slide. Yes. Woo! Let's go to the vent. Where are you guys?
I am here.
Hello, Mama. Okay, guys, let's go to the vent.
Baby kaiju, light the way.
Sorry. Stop hitting that.
Oh, I forgot. I do have a weapon. The bat.
Okay, let's go.
Looks so cinematic, guys.
Okay. Let's go.
I think it's over here. Wait, never mind.
Guys, do you think I should kill him?
Go around it.
Oh!
It's right here. I think.
I am light.
Okay.
Literally light.
There's 2. Follow me, guys. I think I know the way.
I'm following you.
Yep, I knew it. I did know the way.
Okay.
Do not test the red wires, or else you die or forget.
Yeah, I know.
Burn. And then go and land on the exit sign. And then
I'm gonna get the mimic go.
I almost fell.
don't kill the mimic. It's a waste of your ammo. It's a waste for your ammo.
Yeah, I don't need ammo. I have my back.
Oh yeah. Hi mimic. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Wait, you need ammo?
Right here, guys. It's right here.
Hey.
I think I just heard the meatball. Yeah. The meatball is getting.
I'm putting away
We
my
can't
pets.
grapple. We can't grapple.
Why is the? Hi
We
meatball.
can't grapple.
Oh, we just kill it? Okay. Then
Okay.
right up the way.
Do not touch the water, or I mean you can touch it, but you don't need to splash it.
Now follow the other guy. Follow purple. Hey, other guy, follow purple.
Frog.
He knows the way.
Yeah, I did this before in my recent videos. Okay, guys. Do not touch the acid.
Lava. Or, yeah.
Sorry.
Ow!
Lava.
No! I died. Revive me.
Oh no.
Wait, revive me.
Oh no.
Don't make him wait.
Oh, it almost cost my life to revive you.
No! How did I die again?
It cost my life. Oh my gosh. Revive.
No!
Revive us.
I died again.
Revive us.
Revive us. Wait, try not to splash the water. Don't splash the water. Don't splash the water. Wait, kill him. Hello. Froggy? Where are you? Oh wait, I think the frog got killed. Hold on, let's spawn. Frog? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So, that was a fail.
Okay. I will make one more pet. One more small
Wait,
pet.
why do you want a pet so bad?
Bro, I like kaiju pets. One
Kaiju?
on my back, one on my arm, and one on my hip.
You know what? I'm just gonna carry baked beans at this point.
And one is gonna be on my gun.
Hey, here's ammo. Here's ammo if you need it.
I have a bad
I can
It's on my back.
use my monster's eye on my kaiju's mouth
The
as
backpack.
ammo.
Okay, that was a fail. Okay, so I need to make the baked beans first. Is that a whoopee cushion or is that actually you farting?
That's me.
So I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Oh my gosh, Rel is the fart master. Okay guys, are you ready?
Wait, I gotta add one more little detail for my pet on this gun.
Okay. Whatever you do.
Yeah. Okay, now it's time to save and bring all of my other pets.
Boy, do you even have a goop of engine for those? Or oh my god.
Okay,
At the pet.
this goes right here.
Okay. Are you ready?
Gold on my
Please. Please tell me if you're ready.
I'm not ready yet. I'm for last and final.
We'll be just waiting for you.
Okay.
Don't go in. Oh. Okay, you know what? Ah. No roll. I mean, no, don't go. We have to wait for him, bro.
I think I messed something up.
Okay, he's right here. Wow, he has a good invention for that.
I messed something up with my pet. My right pet.
Okay, let's go.
Its entire torso and head are gone.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'll light the way.
Let's go. I'm going down the slide. Hello. Where's the frog? Oh, there you are.
Let's go.
Wow. Ew,
Hey, I light the way.
look, it's the golden trophy! Golden trophy!
We got
Look.
right. We
Pick
got
it up.
right. We got right.
Yeah, it's right here. Come on, frog.
Okay. I think I know where I'm going.
Wait, I think it's... Yeah, it's over here.
No, my pit. It's falling apart. Wait for me.
It's over here.
Wait.
Okay, yeah. The frog is following me.
Run. I think we should be running right now.
No, yeah, it's right here. No, if the vet monster gets too red, then you should get a friend. I don't think you should jump. I think you just go to the exit side.
Down here?
Or yeah, just go over here. Let's go.
Let's go.
A whoopee cushion.
Here's my technical pet.
Yep, it's right here.
Technical. Let's go, Jimmy.
Hope we don't die again.
Go, Timmy. Timmy's on my back. Jimmy's on my left hand.
Hope we don't die
Bobby's
again.
Let's go.
Killed him. Okay. I don't think it's a good thing to go over there, but okay, you know what? Fine.
Oh yeah.
What the? I didn't even splash the water.
Okay, we gotta be careful.
Yeah, we have to. Yo, what?
Let me.
Don't. Okay, I'll revive you.
Wait, I'll protect you.
I mean, I'll try to revive you.
I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Thanks.
Okay.
But I cannot see anything.
I think we go over here. Yeah, we go right here. I see something glowing.
Yeah, we have to go where it's glowing.
Yes, I found it.
Okay. Now just splash, go on the water. You can't die when you touch it.
Oh, I can't die? Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay, now we have to find the plug.
Okay, okay, where is the... Oh,
Do not touch the cyst.
I know.
Hi, cyst.
Oh, I almost... Help, I got this.
Okay. There y'all are.
Help us.
Okay.
And then...
I'll just drop my gun for this. And my hook shot.
This is... deep in.
Pull! Yes! Guys, we did it! Look! Look, it's the old animal company! Oh wait, look, it's the Robo Monkeys! It's the... Oh my gosh! Why are you a Robo Monkey? Bro is a Robo Monkey. Bro is a Robo Monkey. Bro, all of us are freaking Robo Monkeys! What are we doing?
I'm looking for the
Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my gosh, this is too ridiculous. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna reset. Bro, what are y'all doing? What are you doing?
Hey, watch out.
Kaboom! Bro, where are you? What are you? Bro, why are you still right there, bro? Look, at least it's the old. Okay, bro, self-destruct at this point. We're just going to go back. Okay, come on, Mammoth. Yes, we're back. Okay. Okay, yeah, that was a fun experience. Yeah, we finally unplugged the brain, even though we had to die.
Now let's just stay in the server and craft stuff.
Oh yeah, craft stuff. That's
Yeah, like my pet.
Yeah, so we died.
This was the pet.
So we died one time, and we officially unplugged the brain.
And the guy.